What's up guys? Welcome to my video, Jacks Off to Taiwan, Day 18.
Hold up.
Since it rained the day before, my happy time when the rice fields got cut short wasn't satisfied, so had to go back. Not sure when the next time I'll be back here, so I gotta take what I can get. It wasn't a clear day, but at least it wasn't raining. This was also the perfect place for Jerome, the drone. Yeah, so apparently people do name their drones, so I named mine Jerome. But yeah, you know how we humans always question ourselves what the purpose of life is? Jerome, he don't got that problem. His sole purpose in life is to fly. So off you go, little feller. I spent the entire morning at the rice fields. Absolutely worth it. Imagine if the sun was out. This place would have been hella lit. After we had our fun, I grabbed some breakfast at this local granny, moms and pops shop. It's hella basic, but hella bomb. Oh, and one thing about the hostel I stayed at. This place has the most comfy blanket of all time. I don't even know how to describe it. It's soft, and somehow it feels like the blanket kind of just blends into your body. Like when you're laying down and the blanket falls on you, and it kind of just melts. Kinda like a cloud, but also very nice to grab. Gotta get me one of this for real. I really didn't want to leave this place. It's such a huge contrast to my everyday life, so it makes it that much more special. One last look at Chishang before I head back to Taipei. Damn, really gonna miss this place. Then, after a 3-hour train ride, I made it back to Taipei. And that meant I planned out Taiwan twice. Once in each direction. When you really think about it, it's actually just bad planning. But it's all part of the journey and you just gotta enjoy it. I would like to think that I'm a very unconventional person, but once I got to Taipei, I met up with my buddy Diddy, and he basically just took me around doing all the super touristy stuff. I usually don't do super mainstream stuff, but hey, it's my first time too. So first, we went up Taipei's most popular hike, Elephant Mountain. Can't really call it a hike, it's really just like 10 minutes of Stairmasters. So one reason I hate doing mainstream stuff is having to deal with hordes of people. But y'all can't see why hella people come here though. Arguably the best view of the Taipei skyline. After Elephant Mountain, we walked all the way to the Taipei 101, the most iconic building in all of Taiwan. It was the tallest building in the world like 15 years ago, until it became a pissing contest and other countries wanted to erect taller buildings. Still, it's one of the marvels of modern day engineering. It's also got one of the fastest elevators in the whole world. Cause you know, we all want instant gratification and ain't nobody got time for anything anymore. The 101 is like the perfect tourist trap here. It's got plenty of things to do, plenty of things to see. If you come to Taiwan, you have to come here though. It's like, if you visit San Francisco, you have to see the Golden Gate Bridge. But coming here once is good enough for me. There's also these karaoke pots very close to the 101. Everyone loves singing, but you know, there's people like me who are just too self-cautious. So you can just jump into one of these pots and not hurt anyone else's ears. And after all that walking, speaking of walking, that's something that Americans really need to start doing more of. Everyone in Asia walks, but Americans rely on transportation too much and it's becoming a health issue. But anyways, so after all that walking, we went to go grab some dinner. And Diddy took me to this ramen place called Ichiran. The restaurant where servers don't want to see your face. Like, here's your food, sir, don't talk to me. And here's your check, don't even try to talk to me. Fine. And check it out, guys. Freaking killed it. Honestly, one of the best damn ramen I've ever had. And after ramen, we just called it a night. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please enjoy your life. And until next time, Jack is off.
Baby, forget